Hello and welcome to another Macintosh Minute. My name is Luke. We're going to talk today about some spring cleaning, but for some finances. So first and foremost, the number one thing that I would consider is making sure that your trust, your will, your power of attorney paperwork is up to date. Secondly, is to make sure that your budget in retirement hasn't changed, your expenses haven't changed, your flow of money hasn't changed. And then I would kind of move on down the line, focusing on statements. Which ones to keep, for how many years. So starting with financial statements, TD Ameritrade, Edward Jones, Raymond James, whoever you're using, keep those for about 7 years, and you really only need to keep the tax documents that come to you, like a 1099, or your annual statements. And again, keep those for about 7 years. Otherwise, your 1099-Rs, your 1099 INTs, those can be kept for 3 years. Life insurance is the easy one. Keep those life insurance documents. Number one, the initial policy itself. You're going to hold on to that for as long as you're around. And then hold on to your annual statements. And then when you get that updated annual statement, you can throw the old ones away. So really only need to be holding on to a little bit for life insurance. Now is also a great time to review your bank statements, your CDs, your money market accounts. There's been a lot that's changed over the last year with interest rates. The number one place that we look for opportunities as far as the quick consolidation of our own assets, as well as the quick way to make a little bit of money right now, is in those bank accounts and CDs. If you're finding that your savings account is a little bit heavier, your CDs are earning only 1%, now might be a great time to revisit that and see if you can get 2, 3, 4% somewhere else. As always, thank you for spending your time here with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.